Okay, so went for the test ride. Everything went great, but it still seems to show that there's no oil pressure. I'm not too worried about it, but I want to get it fixed. The problem is the oil pressure sensor is all the way back behind there, and I'm trying to feel for it and I can't, so I got to take everything apart again, which means all these have to come off, all the connectors for the injectors, all these connectors have to come off, this has to come off, just everything that I did in the last 2 days has to come off, which is not a big deal, but I'm extremely disappointed. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect and do stuff. Thanks for watching, subscribe. Alright guys, so record time. The first time it took me like 4 hours. Now I kind of got a hang of this. I'm kind of a removal LS1 intake manifold specialist now. Ignore the little bit of dirt. I mean, I cleaned it, but you can only get so good. But right here, let me crawl in there a little bit more. Right about there is supposed to be this. That is the oil pressure sensor. So I gotta go to Vans, get the socket I need because I don't have it here, and put it back together. So yeah, I gotta get a new one of those too. So I'll do that and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so after a lot of shopping, I found the right socket I need. It was the wrong size, but luckily I have the adapter for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken out, get the new one in, and we're good to go. I hope, unless I break it again. Alright guys, so intake manifold's back on. Obviously the oil pressure sensor is back in. Obviously intake manifold's on, throttle body, and I got the throttle cables back on. I got to go ahead and tighten everything down, and then momentarily I'll be back with you guys for the startup with some goddamn oil pressure. Alright guys, so we're all done, cleaned up, grabbed a drink and sat in the AC for a minute. We're gonna go ahead and start her up and I'll show you guys oil pressure. I'm gonna reconnect the battery. I'll be right back. Alright, take two. Battery's connected. I can hear the CD changer. There we go. Alright. Oh, you guys see that? Let's go check everything else. Not leaking gas, don't smell anything. Fuck guys, she got dirty. So we're gonna get her washed. Hey, there's a Trans Am coming. Maybe you guys will see it. Alright, so there's a little sputter coming from a complete stop going. Man, she feels good. Holy crap. I don't know what's different from yesterday's first test drive to today's test drive point 2. Maybe it went into a limp mode. I don't think cars of these years have limp modes. But jeez. Oh my god, she's fast. Alright, so right now because I disconnected everything, the car's actually relearning itself. It's adjusting how much gas needs to go in. It's adjusting a couple other things. I don't really remember what it was, but I know the biggest thing is when you do work on your car, you pull the battery so your fuel trims can adjust. And basically, the ECU, it's built into it, so it does it automatically for when the climate changes and stuff like that. So we're gonna give it some gas now. Oh, I barely even tried, and it just, oh, God. Now, understandably, guys, this isn't like a 2018 like a Hellcat or Corvette. It's not 700 horsepower. I'm not trying to trick you guys or anything. I drive a Toyota Tacoma. I mean, this, comparatively speaking, this thing's badass right now. I think I need to adjust the throttle cable. I think that's what it is. But no check engine lights yet, which is extremely weird because I don't have the EGR connected at all. There's other things that are connected to: secondary air system, purge solenoid for the secondary air system. Makes me laugh when I say derriere. Secondary air, second ass system. Oh, she's trying to stall. So I don't know how well everything's gonna run together. I mean, it's been done before and all that, but I'm just gonna throw it in neutral real quick so the car will idle out. It's idling a lot better now. Car makes a little bit of a whining noise because it's sucking in all that air. She likes to suck. Suck that dick. That was inappropriate. I'm sorry, guys. Any of my younger viewers, just cover your ears. Sorry, microphone's over here. So dumbass pulled the battery, and now I have to adjust all my settings, my radio.